Hello everyone. So this is the second part of class third mathematics Olympiad, and in this paper, I think the first part is completed where we discuss about 20 question logical reasonings, and today in this video we are going to discuss the second section, which is mathematical reasoning. So it's very interesting for you. Stay with us and enjoy Olympiad. The first question is given the place value of 8 in 9834. So before going to this question, I want to explain you about the place value and the face value. We have two kinds of value. So little bit I just slide this and then we will start. So what is place value? Actually we have numbers of one digit. This is, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3. These numbers are one digit number because they have only 1, 2 and 3. Only one place is there. You may write the same number in such a way: 01, 02, 03. Still they are considered as a one digit number. Whether you write it 001, 002, 003, it is still one digit number. It means what? If we make zeros before the given digits, so there is no impact on digits. I think clear. Now this is what one digit numbers. Two digit numbers are there. Two digit number basically having two digit. Suppose that 23. So 23 has 2 and 3 both. We can write down 23 as a 20 plus 3. This is unit place or one place. This is 10 place. So in this 23, if we need to find out the place value of 2, so it must be 10, because you can write 22 multiplied 10. So this is what place value. So the place value of 2 is 10 and the place value of 3 is 1. Maybe number is 3 but place value is 1 because its place is unit place or one digit, one's place. Because when we write down the number in expanded form, for example we have number 45, so we can write down 40 plus 5. So this is what one's place. So the place value of this number is what? 1. Maybe number is 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, whatever the number is. Suppose there's 41. So 41 can be written 40 plus 1. So place value of this one is what? 1. Here place value and the number both are same. Here number is 5 but place value is what? 1. Here number is what? 40 but the place value is what? 10. Number is 40 but the place value is what? 10. So for two digit number, if number written 64, so if we ask the place value of 6, so it is what? 10. Place value of 4 is what? 1. Clear? Now for the three digit number. For three digit number, suppose we have 2, 3, 1. So place value of 1 is what? 1. Place value of 3 is what? 10. Place value of 2. So it is what? 100. Because you can write 231 as a 200 plus 30 plus 1. So place value of it is what? 100. Place value of 30 is what? 10. Place value of 1 is 1. Clear? Now come to the face value. Face value basically the number face value. Face value basically what? The same number. For example, if 41 is written, So its place value may be 10, but its face value is 4 because the number is what? 4. 2, 3, 1. Here, maybe the place value of 3 is what? 10, but the face value is the what? Same number, means 3. Face value means exactly the same number what mentioned. Now come to the question. This is the place value of 8. So when you write this number 9,834, so 9,000 when you expand it plus 800 plus 30 plus 4. So what is the place value of it? 800 means 800. So this is 8 into 1, cancel. 8 into 10, no. 8 multiply 1000, no. This is our answer. Okay, 8 multiply 100 because you can write 8 multiply 100. Clear? Now come to the next question. The weight of an apple is best measured. Let's see. Apple is what? It's a weighted object. Weighted object always measured in gram. So our answer is what? This one. Liter used for the liquid measurement. Maybe you have milk, water, oil. So you can measure these things liter. Millimeter is used for the short distance. You can see your scale. So there is so many pattern you can see. Suppose that this is centimeter scale. So here is a 1. Okay. Then smaller liners there. So this is what? Millimeter. Then again a smaller liner. This is, then again a small liner. Then this is. So these are millimeters. It used to measure the thickness of the thread, and suppose you have an ant. So ant also measure the length of the ant is millimeter because it's a very small creature. Now, if a month ends on Wednesday, and on what day does the next month begin? So if the first month end with the Wednesday, so next month will be the Thursday. Okay, so our answer must be Thursday. Yeah, because it's in on Wednesday, so next day will be Thursday. Which letter cannot be folded in half so that its sides coincide? Let's see. We have a letter of O. If you overlap it, so both are coincide. For example, A is also as same. If you overlap, so it both coincide, and you also overlap it half, coincide. But in case of the L, if you cut it in such a way horizontally or cut it vertically, so this portion disturbed, it means what? Our answer must be C. Okay, means letter L. Which of the given shapes represent a triangle? First, represent about the rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and angle between 2 sides 90 degree. And second is this is quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. Next is circle of 3 sides figure is called triangle. So this is the answer. This is triangle. Okay. Now question number 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, ding, till 20. So we have a number from 1 to 40. Pinky crosses out the number. She speaks out the same count number 5. Okay, Pinky. 5, then 10. The next must be 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. She will cross out the odd numbers in about charts. Okay, which one of the following numbers will not she cross? Okay, she will not cross this one because 35 is under this category. This number is 35. Okay, because she count these numbers, so 35 must be the part of her counting. She cannot cross it. Okay, now move to the next question. What is the missing number that makes the number sentence true? Okay, so it's a question of addition. We add these two, so 78, it's become 200. Let's see, 8 give it, it become 200. 200 plus 70. So what we subtract? Sorry, add 270 to get 330. So I think we have this 270. 270 plus 60. It's a, I think, maybe this number. Yeah, this one. Correct answer is A. Okay. If you add 70, so it's become what? 340. So it is not 58. No, because we need 0 at last. These two numbers not a part of that, because we also think that the 0 must be unitless. Okay. Next question, maybe the back sound disturb you. Sorry for this, because I'm out of my home today. Next question, there is a 3 by 4th cup of the milk in the measuring cup as shown. Okay, in the adjacent figure, Soha poured 1 by 4th cup of the milk out of the measuring cup. Okay, how much milk she left? She took 1/4. 1/4. So total she has 3/4. Total milk she has 3/4. And if she took 1/4, so the rest milk is what? 3 minus 1, because the denominators are same. So directly we just subtract it, so 2/4. This is the answer, 2 by 4. She left 2 by 4. Next question, what is the another ways to represent 6204? Actually another way means expanded form of the number. So I am going to expand this. So this is what? 1 place, 0 is in 10th place, 2 is in 100 place, and 6 is what? 1000 place. So 1000 place for 6. It means here is a 6000 plus 200 plus 4. So this is the answer. Why we skip 0? Because you should write such a way: 6000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 4 multiply 1. You should write 0 multiply 10. So 0 multiply 10 is what? 0. So we ignore this 0. So the rest, all the part must be this one. Now question number 30. Question number 30 is about the Pulkit is having a birthday party. Okay, Pulkit. His mother told him that he could divide 30 sticks among the 3 friends he has invited. If Pulkit give each friend the same numbers of stickers. Okay, so stickers are there. Okay, 30 stickers. Which picture shows how many stickers each friend will get? It means he could divide 30 stickers among 30 stickers among the 3 friends. Okay, so I think this one, how many are there? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10. 10, 10, 10, 30. First one is 30. This is how? This is for the 4. So this is not correct, because the 4 part is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, this is also has 4 part. This is also has 4 parts. So no. I think the best one is this one. This is the answer, because 3 friends are there. So every friend get this one stickers bunch, and the rest 2 also get the same. Now, what fractions of the given figure is shaded? What is the fraction? Fraction is suppose a number is whole. So fraction is a part of that number. So if you count all the triangles in given the bigger triangles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 triangles are there. How many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are shaded. So this answer will be what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Is there any answer? Yeah, this one. The first is answer. So always remember, in such questions, all the parts must be written in denominator. It's under the line, and the numerator above the line. This is line. Okay. Now next question. What is the digit missing from the box? We need to find out the missing digit from the box. So 7, 8 what? Okay, we are subtracting. 7 minus 8, it's 17 minus 8 is what? 9. Then this is 4 because 1 carried. It's the 4. So what we subtract from 14? So we get this number. So we must have 7. So when we had 7, so 14 minus 7 is 7. And here is what? 8 because 1 carried. So it must be 7. 7 and then it must be 17 minus 8. Okay. And here 8 minus 7. So this is what? 7. 7 is answer? Yeah, this is. Next question. Am I greater than 260 but less than 290? Okay. We agree with you. You are greater than 260 but less than 290. When you add my first and third digit, you will get 9. Which number am I? So we need to find the number which he is. So first of all we need the first and wait. It's a given question. First and third digit. First digit is what? This one. And third digit is what? This one. So when you add this 2 plus 7 9. Okay, so maybe this will be answer. 2 plus 7 9. Maybe this also. 9 plus 2 11. No, this is not. 9 plus 2 11. No. So we skip these two. We have only 2. So when you add first and third digit. Okay, got it. Now number is greater than 260. So is it this greater than 260? No. So this is also not answer. This one is our answer. So A number is our answer. Now come to the next question, my dear. For the next question, okay. In the next question, given which one of the following is true? So this is basically I think subtraction and addition pattern. This is 1049. This is 149. Wrong. 6745. It may be. It may be. This is 8. Oh, 6556. Wrong. 5489. How you get 5489 after subtracting this? Because 2000 already less than this number. So this is never possible. So this is our answer. You can subtract 255, 7000, 255, 10 minus 55, 9 minus 54, and then this is what? Because you give it carry, so it becomes 16 and 69 minus 2, 6745, 6745. Done. Next, Shasha saw a three-dimensional figure. It looks like a dice which. So you all imagine the dice. Can you see dice such diagram? Such kind of shape? No. It never possible. Can a dice of cone shape? No. Can a dice of sphere? No. Dice always in shape of cube. So our answer is this one, D, cube. Next question, my dear. Which is the closest distance from M to point N on the numbers line? Closest distance. Okay, we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And this is 8. This is 8. 8 1. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. 8 points are answer. Because why we not take this point? Because M is a beginning point. It means 0. So when you count from 0 to 1, so this is 1 point, then 2 points in such a way. Okay. Next question for you. Right, again, sun is. Wait. Next question for you. Who had the greatest number of the marbles? So this is a bar graph. You can see the highest bar is what Mohit has. So Mohit has the greatest number of the marble. Our answer is Mohit. Done. Next question for you. Study the two given fractions. Which of the two following is true? So we have these all. Okay. So 4 by 12 is greater than 4 by 6. No, because the denominator, this one is greater. The greater denominator has a smaller value, so first is wrong. 4 by 6 greater than 4 by 12. Yeah, it may correct. No, never equal. No. So this is our answer. Always remember, if two numerators are same, so we just observe the denominators. Greater denominator means smaller number. Let me explain first again. Suppose I have a number 1. Another number is also 1. When you divide it by 2 and when you divide it by 10, it means what? You make two part of 1. Two part of 1. Suppose that you have one watermelon, and when you chop it equally, so this is the first part of watermelon, this is second part, is it's all 1 by 2, it's 1 by 2. But for 1 by 10, it means what? You take watermelon again and you divide into how many parts? 1 by 10, it means you divide in 10 parts. So suppose this is 2 parts, 4 part, 6 part, 8 parts, 10 parts. So this tiny part is what? 1 by 10. So here we can say this number, this portion is much greater than this portion. It means what? The least or smallest denominator number has greatest value. Okay, so our answer is what? B. This is our answer. Next question, how many oranges can be balanced in the weight of the one cube? Okay, how many oranges? Please count the numbers of oranges first. Little bit now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 oranges. How many cubes? We have 4. It means 1 cube is equal to how many oranges? 2 oranges. So our answer must be 2. This one is our answer. This one is our answer. So in this question, which sign should be placed in a blank? So there is a given plus minus multiplications and wait, division. So 192 actually we need to suppose that we write minus here. So whatever the number we has here, it's around, suppose that we just use plus, so 200. So 200 divided by 12, so always never we get 1 through it, so this is not our answer. Minus, when you subtract this 192 and minus 8, so this is what? This is our 184. 184 divided by 12, I think you will never get this value because 184 are 3-digit numbers, and when we divide by 12, so we should get only 1-digit number. So this is not, or 1-digit or 2-digit number, never we get 3-digit number. So this is also not. A division is never possible because already this is 128. So multiplication is our correct answer. Now we can check it. 192 multiply 192 multiply 192 multiply 8. So this is what? 16. 189 times 72. 72 or 1 73. 781 times 8. 87 is what? 15. So 1536. When you divide by 12, 12 1 times 3 carry 33. 12 1 to 33. So 12 2 times 24. 33 minus 24 9. So it become 96. 12 8 times 96. So our answer should be multiply. It means what? When we apply the multiply, our equation correct. Okay, so in this part we discuss these 20 questions. Next part we will discuss this section 3rd. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.